Professor Postman is back with another Aster class video on Davinci Resolve 16. I'm going to show you how to make a freeze frame today. It's going to be a very, very lengthy video. Alright, so to begin, we have shitty 2K21 content up here. We have our friendly neighborhood homeless man ready to have a fucking heart attack on the treadmill. So here we go, we're playing the video. And say at this moment, boom, you want to freeze that shit. So what you gotta do, click on your video, you can hit Control B to cut, go a little bit farther, or whatever the fuck you want to do, you can go a little bit farther. Control B again to cut again, and then this little section right here, we're going to right click it. We are going to go to change clip speed and freeze frame. It's literally all you have to do. Now you can move this shit out of the way if you want, then move this ahead. Hit play, boom, shit's frozen. And you can do whatever the fuck you want with it right there, but that's literally how you do it. And if you want to do some slow-mo shit, you can literally just right click it again, change clip speed, get rid of freeze frame, and then you can go however fast you want. You can play around with it, and then it'll be slow as shit. But yeah, it's pretty easy. So there you go. You just learned how to do a fucking freeze frame.